Hey y'all, it's your girl Sashie E. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I transformed my baby sister's hair into this super moisturized wash and go for back to school. So she actually requested a simple wash and go for the first day, y'all. She's going to high school now, so she was not trying to have any clips or anything like that in her hair. She just wanted something simple with a middle part. And also, she hasn't seen her friends in over a year, and I think she wanted to show them how far her hair has come since the last time. So I thought, what better way to show off her wash and go and show off her curls than by using the Curlmix lemon cream wash and go system with argan oil for softening hair. So as you guys can see, her hair is quite dry. I just took her hair out of the jungle braids that I did about 6 weeks ago, y'all, and her hair is in some dire need of moisture. So I'm gonna follow up with the Curlmix Aloe Vera shampoo. This is very clarifying, but also really moisturizing. As you guys know, Curlmix shampoos are my absolute favorite. I actually have them on subscription, you guys. So they send a shampoo to my home every 8 weeks. So right now I have about 3 bottles of shampoo from them at my home. So yeah, guys, I actually keep this on rotation because it is a really moisturizing, you guys. It clarifies your hair without making it feel super dry or super stripped. And with this lemon cream fragrance, you guys, with this particular wash and go set for the softening hair, after I rinsed it out, it felt very silky, and while I was washing her hair, it was detangling instantly as well. So that is also a plus. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, this is her hair after I rinsed out the shampoo. You can see her curls starting to come back and her hair looks very moisturized. So now I'm going to be following up with a pure grapeseed conditioner. This is also very hydrating. I love the consistency of this. It's very nice and thick, and I love that it doesn't sit on top of her hair. When I applied it to her hair, you can see that it was penetrating her hair shaft. And also guys, the bomb thing about this is that this acts as a conditioner and also as a deep conditioner. So as you guys can see, I'm applying it to her hair and it is softening her hair right before your eyes. And I'm just going to go in and start finger detangling before I start using the brush. And once I start using the brush, you're going to see just how easily her hair has detangled using this conditioner. So as you guys can see, I am using Curlmix's brush to detangle her hair in sections. I started from the ends and I'm working my way up. And as you guys can see, the brush is gliding through her hair. It is not snagging at all. And her hair looks so moisturized, you guys, just so soft and so moisturized. So as you guys can see, her hair was detangled quite easily. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it in some twists and then I'm going to proceed to detangle the rest of her hair. Once her hair is fully detangled, you guys, I did allow her to just sit tight for about 10 minutes because as I mentioned before, this conditioner does act as a deep conditioner as well. So I did rinse her hair out in the shower off camera, and now I'm going to follow up with the Pure Avocado Moisturizer, you guys. I want to say, y'all, this is one of my favorite products in this line as well. When I applied this to her hair responded to it so well, you guys. Like, my eyebrows did rise up a little bit, y'all, because I was like, yo, her hair feels silky, soft. I love the consistency of this. I love how it feels on her hair. It is so moisturizing. As you guys can see, once I apply it to her hair, it penetrates her hair shaft, and then her curls are going to start popping, you guys. Even before applying the gel, y'all, her curls are popping, y'all. So yeah, this is definitely a go-to product. This will be a staple in her regimen. Look at her curls, y'all. There's no gel in her hair and her curls are already popping. So now that her hair is fully moisturized, I'm going in with the pure Flaxseed Gel. Y'all, the consistency of this gel had me shook, okay? This isn't like regular gels where the consistency is kind of sticky and slimy. This is the complete opposite. This felt like water. So I was pretty surprised at how well it defined her curls because of how the gel felt. It's super duper lightweight, and I do like that about it because it gave her curls a very fluffy and soft type of look and feel. It wasn't very crunchy or very stiff, and her hair wasn't weighed down. Also, her curls are very different than mine. She has a ton of different curl patterns. I feel like she has 4 or 5 curl patterns in her hair. So even in this section, you have some curls that are a little bit tighter, and then you have some that are looser. Her hair has been like that since she was a itty bitty baby. So yeah, I just wanted to clarify that with you guys. She doesn't have any damage or anything like that. That's just how her hair has always been. So yeah, for the rest of her hair, y'all, I applied the moisturizer, and then on top of that, I went in with about 2 or 3 sprays of the gel, and I just applied that throughout her entire hair. You guys are going to see at the end just how beautiful everything turned out. I was super impressed by this wash and go. As y'all know, it is super easy to use Curlmix products to do wash and goes. When I use their products, my wash day usually lasts about 30 minutes, so that's always a plus. So for her going back to school with everybody being so busy and her wanting to do a wash and go, this is something simple that we can do each morning. I don't have to go through and shingle each piece. I just really have to make sure that I rake it in real good, and that's it, y'all. As you guys can see, her hair is so defined and just so beautiful. Alright guys, so this is the final result. I just went in with a little bit of jam just to kind of slick her edges back just a little bit. But in this footage, her hair is about 80 to 90% dry. And as you guys can see, it is drying nice and fluffy. You can tell that it's not very stiff. It is a very soft, you guys, and it looks really, really nice on her. She loved it. She had a really nice day with the wash and go. And when she came home, her hair was still nice and still defined. So yeah guys, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed, be sure to give her a thumbs up. Also, if you have any comments about the products, definitely leave them down below. I will try to answer them as best as I can. Also, check my description box for links if you guys would like to purchase the Curlmix products. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications. I post on Sundays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at noon Eastern Standard Time. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.